It is easy for hosts and guests to sign up with Vennu. In their web browser, they both need to visit vennu.com.au. On the right-hand side of the homepage and click on Sign Up. To create an account, they then need to complete the required fields, review the terms of use and privacy policy, and tick the reCAPTCHA feature. When hosts create an account, they also need to add their ABN and banking details for automatic payouts by going to their profile settings and following the prompts in Payouts. Once the host account is complete, they can list their space. To get started, they need details about the space, its name, rates of hiring excluding GST, by the hour and day, cleaning fee if applicable, details of the space, and the types of events and activities that they have seen and would like to promote, and some great photos. Once a listing is complete, they are ready to be discovered and booked. Guests can search a keyword like Wollongong or use maps or filters to refine their search. Once they have selected their preferred space, they can browse through the photo gallery, read its description, and confirm its availability. Unavailable dates and times are not able to be selected. Then, when they are happy with their choice, they can select Request to Book, noting all bookings have the benefit of liability insurance from American International Group. Before finalizing their request, we ask them to check the price breakdown and add a short note to provide extra information about their event and any services that they might need, such as equipment hire. Once they've read the Vennu standard agreement and the attached user agreement, they need to check this box to agree and click on Send. The host will then receive the request to book. Guests and hosts can communicate via their dashboard to request additional information, and both receive follow-up emails at 24 and 48 hours to encourage follow-up. When a host accepts the booking, the guest receives an email alerting them to complete the booking. To finalize the booking, they can either follow the prompts through their email or log in through the Vennu site, head to their dashboard and select their booking request. There they will see the final price breakdown provided by the host with any additional charges or relevant discounts. Guests have 72 hours from the time the host accepts their booking to enter their card details. All payments are processed via our payment gateway Stripe, and we have no access to their credit card details. Once the details have been entered, they need to confirm payment to finalize their booking. Our confirmation screen will show their booking has been successful. Hosts and guests will receive an email like this with all relevant details, including Vennu service fees for tax purposes. Once the guest booking is confirmed, the date is added to the host calendar and not available for others to book. Then, 48 hours before the booking, hosts and guests each receive an email alerting them to their coming event or activity where they can confirm any last-minute details via Vennu. After their event, the hosts and guests are prompted to add a review, building trust and confidence in the community. It's that easy.